What is up, YouTube? I just want to say so far, thank you for subscribing. If you have subscribed as of recently, I do want to remind you all that the 1000 subscriber giveaway is still happening. So please let everyone know, tell your friends and all of that. If there's any video or anything that you want to see on my channel, definitely let me know. And I will definitely try to do my best to do it. But yeah, I do want to say thank you to those who have subscribed so far. You guys are amazing. Even the positivity that you guys have sent is awesome and it makes me feel so good. So thank you. Today, as you guys can see from the title of this video, I have a pretty interesting one. I'm going to be testing out this Airbrush cosmetic system that my in-laws got me for Christmas, so thank you. I've never played with airbrush makeup before, so I'm kind of curious, to be honest, to see how this turns out, but also kind of nervous. So we'll see how that goes. But it is the True Airbrush Cosmetics brand. So this is like the main source of energy. We have some foundations as well as a blush, and then we also have the airbrush pen. Oh my gosh, this is so interesting. But yeah, so I got this for Christmas. I've been wanting to play with it and just really try it out and see what it's all about. I don't think I have anything else to say, so let's get into this review. I plugged it in and I'm gonna figure out how to set this up. I'm just gonna... let's turn it on. Oh! High is, oh yeah, that's a lot of air. Y'all see that? My hair? That's medium. I still feel like it kind of feels high. Low. Okay, low is, I feel like low's medium. Turn that off real quick. I know you put the liquid. Okay, what is that? I'm not really seeing. For the directions, it says blend your 2 shades. So we have True Beige and Beige. Add 3 to 5 drops of each shade in an airbrush cup. Place your fingertip over the tip. This will create back bubble, which will blend the 2 shades. Okay, I think we're ready. To do this review. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you guys can see it in its entirety. So before we get started though, it didn't come with a primer or anything like that, and I do want to put on a primer. So I'm just gonna spray my face with Smashbox real quick. I did micro needling this past Saturday, so my skin is like super dry and peeling again. If you've seen my chemical peel video, that was posted on Thursday, so check that out if you haven't seen it already. I kind of share with you guys my experience as well as provide a few clips from my most recent visit. Now I'm applying Too Faced primer. Alright, so I'm just gonna tuck my hair behind my ears. So in there, no, because I can't see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be 7. Okay, and then for the other shade, we'll just do 3. So now we're gonna take this one. This is yellow beige or caramel. 1, 2, 3. That might have been 4. So I'm gonna slightly. Are we starting already? Be safe and hold it like this. Wait, it's not even on. Okay, there's the air going. I think I'm gonna do light for now. Okay, I'm gonna slightly pull it back. Oh, it came out. Okay, I feel it. Oh, this is, it's like really cold. Oh, am I like not even? Okay, there it is. I think I ran out. So, I think it does help too that I have so much going on in my skin that you can see. I'm gonna touch it, I'm curious. Okay, it's sticky. If I'm being quite honest, I do plan on filming another video after this one, and I'm gonna need this to work. So I'm actually gonna double it now because I feel like that went fast, but I do feel like the mix of the shades creates my shade. So I'm just gonna do the same. So I did 7 for the lighter and 3 for the darker. So I'm gonna do 14 and 6 for that. So it was like super cold, which caught me off guard, to be honest, but I could definitely feel when it was done. Had no more product in it because it wasn't cold anymore. But we're gonna do medium now. Oh, okay. No, I ran out. I don't know if this is helping blend it. We definitely see a lot more. I feel like with medium, it definitely helps pressure-wise to push the product out, but it still wasn't enough. You do have to use a lot. So I'm gonna do the same, 14 and 6. I will say though that the fact that I kind of have to keep putting in the foundation makes it somewhat of an inconvenience. That is what the foundation looks like in the cup. Let's do this. We'll do medium again. There we go. So also what I've noticed is that when I've been slightly holding the trigger. That looks interesting. That's not appealing whatsoever. And so this is what it looks like on the inside when there's no more product. I would have to say that the coverage is light coverage. For sure, you do have to build it to that light coverage. Like even going, how many times was that? 3 times. It's not full coverage. It hasn't really completely covered this side of my face. I'm just trying to work it quick all over my face rather than just concentrating it on one spot. But I feel like that's not even enough too. Okay, this is like bothering me. I know it's probably bothering you. Comparing the two sides, I definitely see the foundation on my face. And yeah, I would have to say it's light to medium, probably light coverage. So if you have amazing skin, this probably works for you for sure. I'm actually curious if I put my own foundation in. Maybe for another video. I definitely want to play with it more, but this is it. So this product, like I've seen it before. I've definitely seen it before. It's very interesting. It does feel light. Like unless I touch it, I can still feel the tackiness, but otherwise feels like I'm wearing nothing. This is drying very interestingly. I'm tempted to go in and blend it out with my fingers. That's the thing too. Like if you, okay, I think that's my skin. I feel like if you do makeup regularly and you play around with this kind of thing, you're so tempted to blend it out with a sponge. I feel like I can't touch my face. I feel like the shade match is on point. But yeah. So that is basically my thoughts on this whole thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun doing it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because that would mean so much to me. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, follow my social media links. They will always be listed at the end. Yeah, at the end of this video, as well as in the description bar below. And I will see you in my next one.
I think this is fun. I get 10.
You look so orange.